Okay, this time we would like to compare between Python and R, but this time we would like to calculate the sample size for the study that using pair t-test. Alright, so let's find out. Okay, first thing first that you can see from the screen that we start with Python first. So first thing first that we need to do is we need to import the library or the module from the stats model. So in Python we use stats models here. So stats.power and import ttsolve power. Alright, it's like t-test. Okay, so we run this one first. Okay, it's running. Now let's set for the parameter after we import the library. So first fx size 0.5. So for this study, but usually using previous study, and alpha 0.05 and power 0.8. Okay, so we run this one first and we calculate now. So required sample size here is that we use that import tt's of power. So we just copy paste. Right, and then we input all the parameters, right? Fx size, alpha, power, and last one for the alternative. Right, the alternative. We use two-sided this time. Okay, like two tails. So we run this one. Okay, now let's print this out. So f required sample size, so we input from the calculation, and then I use 0f here, so there is no comma behind. So how much is it? It's a 33. Okay, good. That's it. This is for two-sided. Alright, so that's it for the Python. Now let's move to R. Okay, the first thing first, what you need to do is you need to install the package. So we're usually using power of PWR to calculate using power analysis. So we run this one first. Oh, what is this? Oh no, I don't need to update the package for now. So we install first. Okay, so it's downloaded here. Nice. Now after we install, then we need to load the library. Library power. Good. Now after this, we set for the parameters. I think it's quite similar step with Python, right? Alpha 0.05 and then power 0.8 for now. And the desired power, and then fx size we just only use 0.5 as a medium one. Alright, it's like Cohen's d fx size, and then run this one, and you can see it's already there, and then we calculate right now. Alright, for the sample size. So sample size here, and then we use power from the library, right? So you can see many choices here. You can choose power t-test here, and then Cohen's d is like fx size here, and then we input significant level. This is alpha, and then power, right? And then just also need to put the alternative that we use type here in R. So we use paired t-test, right? And then end for the samples. Okay, we run this one. Good. And you can see the results already there, 33.36. All right, so now let's try to print this out. And when we print, you can see that we are using, so just print pass from the calculation sample size. And then ceiling is like rounding up, okay? So there's no comma, just round it. So when we print this out, so we got 34, but actually we can use 33, is also okay based on that commas. And from the ceiling, we use 34. So basically, using R or using Python are the same, because in using Python we get 33, and from R we got 33 or 34. So basically, the power analysis using stats models and then PWR, power in R, so it's the same. So we can just use both. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you.